guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel then a warm welcome to my channel. So again, as usual, I had taken a poll on Instagram asking what kind of video you guys wanted to see this time, and most of you wanted to see 10 random products that changed my life because most of you felt it was kind of an interesting topic. So yes, that's what I'm here to do right now. And while talking about each of those products, I might be giving you why, when and how I started using those products, so a little bit of backstory on it. So I would suggest you to grab a cup of coffee or tea with your snacks and sit and watch this video because it could be quite a long video, but nonetheless, let's get into the video. But before that, if you've not subscribed to my channel, then go subscribe to my channel because a lot of fun videos are coming your way. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So the first product is something that I cannot show you because I don't have it with me right here. It is Papa Stuck in Bangalore. But I will insert an image for you right here. So what I'm about to talk about is a memory foam pillow. So it might sound a little weird, but I started using a memory foam pillow I think 4 years back. So if you're working in an IT company, you know you have to work for 9 hours straight and sitting in that chair. I know it's so painful. It especially affects your spine. So what happened was, since I was also doing shifts, so I was doing morning, evening, night, all these things were happening simultaneously. So eventually I started getting a lot of back pain. And I really didn't want to visit a doctor for it because I thought it was just back pain. It will heal itself, with time. But it just got worse. So what my mom suggested was, why don't you try my grandpa's? So we had my grandpa's memory foam pillow with us, but I really didn't pay much attention to it. So she suggested, why don't you try using it? Because of the pain, I was also having issues or problems sleeping. Because once I lie down, I will just have acute back pain and I really wouldn't get any sleep. So she suggested, why don't you try using this? And I did, and my god, I have never slept so peacefully in my life. It's so good. It keeps your spine and it keeps your spine straight, and it gives a great support to your neck. So you won't feel like if you take normal pillows, you will feel like once you put your head on it, you will feel like it going flat. But that doesn't happen really with memory foam pillow. It takes the shape of your head and it keeps your spine straight, like I said. So if you're someone who's suffering from mild back pain or even acute back pain, then I would really suggest you to give this memory foam pillow a try. It is a little on the expensive side, but it's a one-time investment, so I don't think you should be paying much attention to the price when it's actually really, really good for your health. So do give it a try. So product number 2 is my journal. So this was a gift to me from Mr. Hubster for New Year 2020, and I was actually telling him by the end of 2019 that I'm thinking of starting to write a planner or something like that. So I just wanted to record each and every day of my life, and I was looking at planners on Amazon, and they were so expensive. They were like 2,000, 3,000, but I still felt, you want to start something new, why look at the money? So he was like, don't go for planners because that's not going to really help you, because I'm a housewife, so I don't see any use for a planner. So he was like, why don't you start journaling? So the good thing about this journal, it's not for a year. It's not just for 1 year. If you see, it has, am I in the center frame? So it has 5, what do you call?
Years.
Yeah. You can enter 5 years for the same day. So if you're talking about June 12th, so you can just mention 2020, 2021, 2022. So whatever happened on the same day in 5 different years, you can record it. Write it down. So I started doing it for fun, but then I really enjoyed the process. And my husband's idea was, don't just journal what happened in your day, also journal how you felt on that day, like what was your emotion on a particular day. So when I read back, like I've written a lot of pages, of course. So if you can see here, all these are my writings. I've written a lot, but again, this is just for 2020, so it's only the first para is filled. So when I read through all those now, after like, so whatever I've written in January, when I read now, I'm like, okay, did I go through all this? Did all this really happen? So it's really funny, it's really nostalgic when you read all that. But you're also able to assess your emotions. So what happened on a particular day, how you handled that situation, how you came out of it. So you can learn a lot. And also, I've wanted to buy a gratitude journal because I wanted to end my day on a good note, like what I was thankful for on a particular day. So again, this serves as a multi-purpose journal. You can write whatever you feel for a particular day. Even if you want to skip a day, that's completely fine, because that's just going to be empty and you can just fill it for the next year on the same day. So if you're looking for starting a new habit, I would definitely recommend you start writing a journal, because it is so good, it is so relaxing, so therapeutic. And like I said, when you read it after like a few months, it's so nostalgic and it makes you feel really good. So yeah, journal. So the third product is, yes, it's a weighing machine. This is, I would say, it's my greatest motivator and my greatest critic. So I think July 2019 I weighed my heaviest thus far. So I'm not going to share all those details with you, but yes, I weighed my heaviest in July 2019. So one fine day I stood on this. Until then I was actually not checking it regularly. So first of all, I have to thank my mom for loaning this to me. So like any other good daughters, I stole this from her. This was a gift to my mom and I stole it from her. And yeah, so until July 2019 I wasn't checking my weight on a regular basis. Every now and then, maybe once in a month or once in 2 months, I used to check my weight. So one fine day when I checked my weight, I weighed so much that I started crying. I was upset. Not, I think upset is a very small word, but yeah, I was upset. I was chaotic. My mind was like, I didn't know what to do. I was like just crying to my husband, asking, what am I going to do about this weight? I really don't know what to do. The only thing I was telling him was, I eat at home and still I'm gaining weight. I eat at home and I'm still gaining weight. So we really couldn't zero down on why that happened. But yes, last year by this time we were going through some problems. So probably that fueled my weight gain. And by December 2019 I found out that I had PCOS, so that was also one of the major reasons of my weight gain. But nonetheless, this again, so 2019, this was my greatest critic. So after that, slowly we started treating PCOS. So my weight, I wouldn't say PCOS medicines got my weight down. I actually made a lot of lifestyle changes. If you want, I'll make a separate video on that. But yeah, all those lifestyle changes, all the food that I changed, the food items that I was eating on a regular basis, I changed a lot of them. And slowly, very slowly, I started seeing difference. I think initially it started with maybe 200 grams, 200-300 grams, and then slowly it started showing difference of my weight in kilos, like 1 kilo, 2 kilos. So comparatively from July 2019 to August 2020, I have reduced a drastic amount of weight. Again, I'm not going to share all those details because I don't want to jinx it. But yes, a drastic amount of weight. It's close to getting, I mean, the amount of weight I've lost is close to transforming into a double-digit number. So you can guess if you want. So yes, so nowadays this is my greatest motivator. So every day after I wake up and I'm done with my bathroom business, the first thing I do is take out my weighing machine, stand on it and check my weight for the day. So if I've eaten something really heavy the previous day, I know I will weigh a little, maybe 200-300 grams extra. So the next day I eat accordingly. Again, point to be noted, I have not cut down on any really good, not really good. I have not cut down on any food that I really like. I still eat them, but on a moderate amount. So yes, I will do a video on that separately. But yes, if you're someone who's looking to put down a little weight, or you just want to maintain your current weight and lead a healthy lifestyle, then I would really suggest you to get yourself a weighing machine. It's really worth it. So the fourth product is an electric hot bag. Please ignore the ugly design. I did not have a choice to choose one, but yes, an electric hot bag. So last year when I went to a local store and I was at their billing desk, I saw this. They were testing it or something. So I asked them what this was, and they told me it's an electric hot bag. So I was like, why use an electric hot bag when you can, pour boiling water into a hot bag and use it? So they were like, ma'am, it will really, save all that work for you, and it's very popular and all that. So he was trying to convince me to buy it, and I think it worked because I bought one. But it was really helpful. So when I was reading about it on Google for what it's exactly used, many people have told that when girls have period cramps, this is their best friend and all that. I am not a person who generally keeps anything hot on my tummy when I'm on my periods, but if you're someone like that, if you use a hot bag, I would really suggest you to get an electric one. All you have to do is it comes with a plug, so you just need to plug it in. Sorry, where are you? You just need to plug the wire here, and you need to connect it to a power supply, and the light here will go on once you connect it, and it will go off automatically once it's heated to its maximum capacity. But I would suggest you not to wait that long. You can heat it exactly for 1.5 minutes, because this gets hot really quickly. And another point to remember would be not to keep this directly on your skin. Chances are it will burn it, not like burn it, but it will be really hot. So don't use it directly on your skin. So this is not just for period cramps. Me and my husband, we use it whenever we have a back pain or when we have a knee pain, any pain in your body except your face. You can definitely use this. So you don't have to go through the trouble of heating water, putting a towel in it, and then keeping it on your back or wherever you have pain. All you have to do is just connect this to the power supply, heat it for a minute, and you can keep it on the area where you have pain. And this has relieved my back pain so many times, even without taking any tablet or even without applying any Move or Iodex or anything. So if you're someone who uses hot bag on a regular basis, or if you're someone like me who gets a lot of back pain and shoulder pain, then definitely give this a try. It's definitely worth for the 200 rupees that you pay. So the next product is this hair fiber from Dr. Batras. So it's called Instant Hair. So when I stumbled upon this product on my engagement day, the day I got engaged. So I was really hesitant to go to my makeup artist, because I do have a few bald patches. That's another side effect of PCOS. You'll have a lot of hair fall, so be prepared for it if you have PCOS. So I did have a little bit of bald spots, and I was really hesitant to wear a hair extension or something like that. So she was like, why go through all that? I was like, so how are you going to hide all these bald patches? So I thought they might use dark eyeshadow, but they were like, no, we're going to use this. So all she did was, this is like a pepper, shaker. All you have to do is concentrate this on your bald patches, and you just have to sprinkle this on your bald patches. As soon as it touches your scalp, it just clings onto it until the next time you wash your hair. So even if you have this for 5 days on your head without washing your hair, this is just going to stay. Maybe you will need a little bit of touch up, but this clings onto your scalp like a magnet, and it stays on your head until you wash your hair the next time. And I've been using this ever since, and it's been 3 years. I've had no infectious reaction whatsoever. So if you are someone like me who have a little bit of bald patches, or you have receding hairline, you can definitely give this a try. This is a little expensive, I would say. This is like 1,400, but there are a lot of other brands like Topic, which is like 2,000, 3,000. So for the price, it lasts you like 1.5 years, easily 12 months. So I think for 12 months you can pay 1,400. I got this on Amazon when it was on a sale. I paid only 950 rupees if I'm not wrong. So All the products that I'm mentioning here, if I can find them on Amazon, I will definitely link them on the description, sorry, in the description box below. So do give this a try if you're gonna use it for the same reason that I told you. So do check it out. The next product is a face razor. So again, because of PCOS, one of the symptoms of PCOS, you will have start having a lot of facial hair, especially the mustache area and your chin. You'll start having a lot of beard growth, which is not common in women. So yes, PCOS symptom is if you have facial hair and if you're having irregular periods, do check yourself for PCOS. You might have it. So because of my PCOS, I did have a lot of hair growth on my chin, and I did wax it for some time. So whenever I used to go for my monthly waxing to the salon, I used to wax my chin, but that only used to last me for like a good 2 weeks. After that, eventually the hair starts growing, and I again cannot go to a beauty salon just for my chin. I mean, they do have chin waxing, but it's just that it was a very painful process, especially on my face. I really couldn't bear the pain. So that's when I came across this miracle product. So this came as a set of 3 for 120 rupees, and one lasts for like 6 to 7 months easily if you maintain it the right way. So the good thing about this is it's very lightweight. As you can see, it doesn't occupy much space, so you can put it in your purse when you're going somewhere, and you can just have it with you always. And if you feel like you're having a little bit of a hair growth, you can just shave it then and there, and you'll be done. You don't really have to go to a salon to get the hair off your face or chin, and you really don't have to wax and bear all that pain. So do give this a try. This is super useful. So the 7th product, I would say products because I have 2 products in the same, almost in the same category, so I thought I'll just combine them and talk about it. So the first product is this Candid powder. This is an antifungal and antibacterial product. Sorry. Is it straight? So this is an antifungal powder, dusting powder. So this is just like a talcum powder, but it doesn't have any smell added to it. This is just a plain powder. You can use it on your underarms, under your breasts, on your genital area, whenever you have any infection, if you have rashes, if you feel like you have itching and all those kind of things, you can definitely use this. So once I got a very bad allergy under my breasts, and this is what I used, and it just cured it. I wouldn't say overnight, but in 2 nights it cured it completely. And my aunt introduced me to this in 2016, if I'm not wrong. It's been 4 years and I've never stopped using this product. It's really good. So if you're someone who gets a lot of itching because of the sweat or because of heat, then do give this a try. I would suggest it because it's a powder, it keeps it dry, unlike creams, because creams tend to make your clothes a little sticky and a little wet. So you won't have that problem with this. And yeah, this is on the cheaper side. My husband loves this too. I introduced him to this and he likes it too. So do give this a try. So, okay, continuing with the personal hygiene category, the next product is a baby rash cream. And before you ask me further questions, no, I don't have a baby. This is what I use. As surprising as it may look, I am someone who gets a lot of rashes because of my period napkins, and yeah, this is what I started using. So I think I was just looking for something. I was applying coconut oil whenever I used to have rashes, but that really didn't solve my problem. So I came across this and I thought, why not give it a try? Because I remember when my niece was born and she was just 11-day-old baby, she got a very bad rash because of diapers, and a diaper rash cream is what the doctor suggested. The brand that we used was Sebamed, and that's like 500-600 rupees for a tube, whereas this is a quite reasonable size, and I think it's 64 rupees. So this is really good, and it's a well-known brand. So I gave this a try, and man, oh man, I was so surprised at the results. It cured my rash overnight. I had really bad rashes in my inner thighs, and this cured it overnight. because after getting that rash I couldn't walk, I couldn't even move, I was struggling really badly, and this came to my rescue. So if you're someone who gets a lot of rashes because of your panties or because of your period napkins, then do give this a try. Don't even think twice. This will be a miracle saver for you, trust me. So the next product is Yakult. Am I in the frame? Yes. The next product is Yakult. So when this was newly launched in the market, my mom was so excited to see the design of the bottle. She was like, I want to try it. And we just tried it for fun, and we really initially didn't know what the purpose of this is. But this is a probiotic drink. So it has 6.5 billion good bacteria. That's really good for your gut. That's really good for your digestive system. So I am someone who actually runs to the washroom right after a meal. I used to be someone like that. I wouldn't say this entirely cured my problem, but I think over time it just healed automatically. But yeah, even today when I have an upset tummy, this is the only thing that I consume and it cures it instantly. There have been people, because I used to post, I used to give this to my husband along with his lunchbox. So I used to post about it every day, and my few of my friends came back to me and told me, you know what, you shouldn't keep drinking this every day. There are a lot of natural probiotics out there. So yes, curd is one of them, and on a daily basis I do consume curd. But the problem with curd is when you've made fresh curd at home, only the first day the live bacteria or the good bacteria that's present in the curd is alive. So from the second day or the third day, it's dead. So you're just basically eating, you know, dead milk maybe. So it doesn't really have any probiotic effect on your gut or on your digestive system. So this is what I drink. Even my husband drinks this. We've been using it for 3-4 years now, and it's really good. So if you're someone who has constant tummy issues, then do give this a try. You may not like its taste. It's kind of sweet. I really like the taste, but there have been people who really hate the taste. So ignore the taste, but this is a really good product. So do give this a try. So the 9th product is again something I can't show because I'm using it right now, but I will insert a picture of it here. It's my laptop table. So initially when I started my YouTube channel, I think a year ago, yay, I've been on YouTube for a year. Chinu's Corner is going to celebrate its first year this month in a few days. So yes, sorry, I'm deviating from the topic. So last year when I started YouTube channel, I had a lot of editing to do to learn. So I used to sit on my laptop, always on my lap, and I used to like keep working on it. So my hand used to be like this, right? So you edit with your right hand. So after a while, my palm started swelling very badly, and I started having acute pain here. So when I went to the doctor, he told me that I have a ligament strain, which is not good. So he said the gum that's in between your bones, it's really less, and you shouldn't be straining your arms too much. And he told me exclusively not to use laptops for 2 to 3 weeks. I was wearing a bandage with a steel rod to support my hand for 2 to 3 weeks. So I really couldn't do anything because of the pain, because it was just too much to bear. So my husband came up with this idea of using a laptop table instead. So I did have this laptop table since 2017. I picked it up from Dubai when I went to IKEA. So it's been lying around the house, but I really did not pay any attention to it. So he said, why don't you use it? Use it and see, and if you like it, continue using it. So ever since I started using this laptop, you don't have to look down. You will have to look straight because it's kind of a high table, and it's really compact. You can just fold it and put it in between your cupboards. It's very compact, very slim. And because you're sitting straight, your shoulders are going to be in the level, and you will be using a hand like this, so you won't really have this wrist movement. So ever since I started using this table, I have not had any pain, touch wood. And yeah, this wrist pain was something that was really bothering me, and I was really afraid to use my laptop again. But because of this table, I had no issues whatsoever till now. So if you're someone who uses laptop on a regular basis, and you just use it, you just put it on your lap and use it, but I would definitely suggest you to buy a computer table or a laptop table for yourself, because it's going to keep your spine straight, it's going to keep your posture straight, and you can avoid a lot of spinal ache, you can avoid a lot of back pain because of this. So definitely check it out. So the final product is not a physical product, it's actually an app. So I was really skeptical to include it in this list, but my husband said, you know what, that's something that's really changed your life, so why don't you talk about it. So I'm just going to talk about it briefly because I'm planning to do a separate video on it because it is super useful. So it's this app called Zero. I found it on App Store in February, by the end of February 2020, and I was looking to start intermittent fasting. So when I was doing my research on which was the best app available, this was what caught my eye. And yeah, I've been using it ever since, and it's been of great help to me. So in this app, you can actually decide what kind of a fast you want. It will give you options, it will give you prefixed options, and you can choose one of them if you are comfortable with the time limits that the prefixed options give you, or if you want to set your own time limits, you can custom choose the hour as well. Like if you want to fast for like 14 hours or 12 hours or 9 hours in a day, according to your convenience, you can choose that with the custom option. And you can also log your weight, you can log your heart rate, you can log your sleep. There are a lot of really different things that you can do with this app, and yeah, it's helped me really like to a great extent with my weight loss and with intermittent fasting. And now they've come up with the pro version of it, so you'll have doctors suggesting you what to do, what to eat, what not to eat. Of course you have to pay for the pro version, but if you're looking for a good intermittent fasting app or just a fasting app in general, definitely give this a try. After I showed how it was so useful to me, my husband started using it as well. So both of us are intermittent fasting now, and I'm intermittent fasting for 14 hours and he's doing it for 15 hours in a day. And yeah, it's been really great. I really don't have any complaints about the app, so definitely check it out. So yes, with that we're done with 10 different products. Yay! So I hope you really found this video useful, and you really found something that interests you. So I'm going to link all the products in the description box below. Do check them out if you found anything interesting or useful. And do give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to my channel, share this video, and yeah, I'll see you next week with another fun video. So until then, bye.